We just finished up the installation of our new Hush Power Pro Series axle back system for the 2005 to 2010 GT Mustangs with the 4.6 liter engine. The system also fits the Shelby GT500 models with the 5.4 liter engine, as well as this Shelby GT. Now, like all of our systems, we perform back-to-back dyno testing, and this particular system we picked up about 12 horsepower, 12 foot-pounds of torque, which is a pretty decent little gain. And just as well, we really woke up the sound of this thing. So let's take it out and let you hear what it sounds like.